Hello everyone, this is Korede from Promage Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this video in text effect using KineMaster. We'll start from creating a new project, select our aspect ratio and import a black color from our image asset. Click on layers and select text to add your write-up. You can scale it as you want it to be. Next thing we're going to do is to bring in the video we want to put inside of this text. So this is my video I want to use. I will scale it. I'll make sure that my video is selected. I'll go to menu. I'll scroll down to blending and choose multiply. Then our video is placed inside our write-up. So I'm going to add another text now. But you can see that the video is not inside this new write-up. So quickly I'm going to show us how to fix that. But before I do that, I want to inform you that this channel is dedicated to teaching how to shoot and edit videos with smartphone. If that's what you're interested in, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification icon so that you are always informed whenever I release a new tutorial about smartphone filmmaking. So what I'm going to do is make sure that the layer is selected. Then I will click on this button here and select send to back. So that fixes that, and our video is inside our write-up. So even if you bring in new write-up, you can just still repeat the same process and the video will be inside all the write-up. Now you can just make some little tweaking and fix any other part of the video that you might want to adjust. If you have learned something from this video, please let me know in the comment section below. This video over here are the different tutorials that I've created about video editing in KineMaster. While over here is another video that you might be interested in. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Shalom.